it like living here in this part of the city? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, what is the ethnical diversity like? Can you tell? Is it like a,
Diverse.
pretty diverse?
Definitely diverse.
Okay, okay. Is it safe part of the city, you think?
Yeah, I think so.
You think it's a safe part? You feel safe?
Where's Jack the Ripper? Any thoughts?
There's a pub up the road actually where they reckon that was local. So
Okay.
I think this is the area where it was something.
Yeah. Oh, alright.
Oh, snap.
4 months? So not very long.
Where are you from?
I'm from Norfolk, which is the countryside.
Oh, okay.
That's 2 hours away.
Anything interesting about this part of the city you've discovered, maybe?
It's good.
Do you like it? You didn't
No, yeah, no, it's good. It's right for our kind of age.
Okay. Cool.
What kind of customers do you get in this store?
Good ones.
Good ones?
A lot of city boys, because this is that road is the sort of the line between like the cool kids and then the city guys.
Oh,
so the show's mostly near like the city guys.
Okay, so like the financial sector.
Yeah, it's literally on that.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.